All right, how's it going? Look, we're going to do some lovely ribs today, lovely sticky pork ribs. We're going to boil them first with some aromatics, pump some lovely flavour into them. We're going to make a quick sauce. Over it goes. These are off the hook. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's get straight in on this one. Very, very simple. So I've got a large pan here, filled that, well, half full of cold water. Here's my pork ribs. What we're going to do is we're going to place them in the water. I've got about 500 grams, just like a pound of ribs. And then we're going to add some aromatics to them. First, let's get some salt in there. Black peppercorns, a couple of teaspoons. Garlic, like a tablespoon of garlic. You can chop it how you like. And the same amount of fresh ginger, in that goes. Then I'm going to add some dried red chili, some star anise, a lemon or a lime. So I'm going to give that a squeeze. Then I'm going to drop it in. And then the heat goes on. We're going to bring it to the boil. Once it's at boiling point, we're going to roll and boil it for 6 minutes. So easy. Okay, off goes the heat. That's been 6 or 7 minutes. Now what we've done is we've pumped loads of lovely flavour into these ribs as they've cooked. What we're going to do is we're going to discard the content and the water. We're going to just stick them to one side. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass. You can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Okay, so we've got a small pan here. I've got like a tablespoon of sesame seed oil in there, 2 teaspoons of garlic. Just put the heat on. The heat's on medium. To that we're going to add a nice big pinch of black pepper. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of a light soy, 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and very much roughly the same amount of honey. Let me see if I can just roughly measure that in. So what we're going to do, just for 2 minutes, keep stirring on this. We've got ourselves a beautiful sauce. Absolutely fabulous. Off goes the heat. Let's set that aside and talk about our ribs. So, with the ribs, what you can do now, we're going to do them on the stovetop here, as you can see, but if you want, pop them in the oven. If you're going to do it in an oven, pop them in a really high heat, preheated oven, just for about 6 minutes. So the ribs are cooked. What we're trying to do now is get a bit of colour on them. In there I've got 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using corn oil. I've just put the heat on. The heat's on fairly high. We're just going to throw these around. Just like I say, just get a little bit of colour on them. Just for 4 or 5 minutes or so. Very, very simple. Okay, so nothing too crazy. Just a little bit of colour there. Then we're going to take that lovely sauce and it's going to go over. Two more minutes, just throwing it around on a nice high heat. These are done, they're delicious. And that's it, job done. Really, really simple. They really are absolutely delicious. Just a few sesame seeds on the top if you want, slice some green onions. That's it. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.